Through Excel macro, we'll make this automation convert multiple PDF files to Word files. We have source file here. For example, we open one PDF file. So this is one sample PDF file, and we have same way we have other PDF file, different files. Okay, now we want to through a single click, we want to convert all the PDF files into Word file. So we don't have any Word file yet. So logic is this whole folder contains PDF files will be converted to Word files and save in the output Word this folder. Now first we create a Excel macro enabled um, file first. So go to Excel and take a new file, new Excel file, save as Excel macro enable. This is my destination folder. So this is my folder right now here, and I can say macro convert PDF files to Word files. Now here in this macro we will need to give some input. So I just make some placeholder here. For example, in the column C3 we will give the file folder path of input files. So give input files folder path in cell C3, and in cell C4 give output files folder path in cell C4. So we can take the folder path from here. So this is my source folder path or input folder path. So you select shift and right click, you will get the path, copy as path. Now go to the cell C3 and paste it here. Again for the output folder path, select the folder, shift right click and get the copy as path, and now paste it here. Now we will get the macro. So to get the macro, we take help of AI. I have from one prompt here. We'll paste this prompt in the Claude. So what is there here? Just saying that hey, we want to write an Excel VBA macro which converts PDF files to Word files. And here we say that in the sheet 1 of cell 3, in this file sheet 1 cell 3 C3, we give the input file path and output file path is the cell C4, and other um, instructions are here. So now I take this prompt and go to the Claude. So this Claude is my free version. Paste it here and just wait for getting the macro. So our macro is done. I just now copy the macro and code and go to the my macro enable Excel file, go to the developer tab, go to the Visual Basic, and in the sheet 1 I paste the whole macro. Okay. Now save it and close this macro developer tab. Now I create a icon here to tag, assign the macro, in this tab or icon, so that actually we easily run the macro. We don't need to go again and again in the developer tab. So just right click and assign macro. We have one macro here and hit OK. Now we run the macro to see that this source PDF files converted to Word file and save in the output folder. Now I go to the macro and run the macro. It will take little time. Okay, our conversion completed successfully. Now I just save the file and go to the folder, output folder path. Yeah, we see here our PDF files are converted to Word file. Now just open first PDF file, Word file. So you see the PDF file converted to Word file. So through this way we can make this small automation, convert multiple PDF files to multiple Word files. Thank you.